YouTube? Thank you for tuning into Zeus Nation, man. I apologize for the absent. You know, I've been very, very busy with work and shit like that. But today is the day that I will show you guys how we get down in Jacksonville with the car meets. It's gonna be crazy, man. Shout out to Dash Out Jax. Today is their 1 year anniversary, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, just go ahead and check it out. They go Zeus in the back looking all stiffy back there. But I will catch y'all when me and my car club get to our pre-meet spot. See y'all later, man. All right, YouTube, so we made it to the pre-meet spot. I'm gonna go ahead and shout out everybody. You can go ahead and shout out the whips, you know. AJ. Think about man Arson.
What's happening, YouTube?
Check him out.
On Insta.
Check him out, check him out, check him out. What's going on? Can y'all speak to the channel, please? What's going on, big dog? What's going on, man? Yeah, YouTube. So you know this how we get down. We got Candy right here. We got the 2020 Scat Pack in a beautiful, beautiful hill raising color. On this side, we got my man Chase right here. Y'all make sure y'all follow everybody, man, on Instagram, man. Make sure y'all follow everybody on Instagram. My man right here, Team King in the building. 2020 Charger GT. That, for y'all who don't know what that is, it's an all-wheel drive V6. Make sure y'all go to and subscribe to the muscle cover right there. You know what I mean? Get at it. Get live with it, y'all. Get live with it.
Nah, man. Too dark? Yeah. We already can't see shit, bro. This is enough. I can barely see this.
All right, man. So for those of you who don't know what a pre-meet is, a pre-meet is basically where like a group of cars basically show up at the spot, hang out, you know what I mean, talk to each other, see each other's car before we actually get to the meet. But of course, I gotta show you my baby. I can't forget about Zeus, man. Oh yeah, guys, and I did get that lip back installed. That is the Scat Pack SRT lip. I do love that lip, man. To me, it just makes the car look way more aggressive, you know what I mean? It looks way better. All right, y'all, so we basically just gonna chill here for a little bit, and then we're gonna head over to the real meet. And you know, when we get there, it's gonna be crazy. Gonna be a lot of cars, so I'll see y'all when we get there, man. Peace.
Okay. Freedom.
Oh, Freedom!
Freedom.
Okay, my man, first for the plantation.
Car up back there, bro. I said we heard it when you started your car.
Hey, man, follow my man Shadow Henry on Instagram. He never come out, but you know, just give him a nice little follow going on. He got these beautiful matte black camo stripes going on with the gold accent. Y'all know what this is already, man. I did a review on his car. It's crazy loud, it's beautiful. There's nothing new going on. Let's go ahead and check him out. What's going on, man? As you can see, we have made it to the pre-meet, man. Everybody is lined up. I'm gonna take y'all through everybody and let y'all see the cars. show y'all, you know, how we get down. Like I said, this is just a pre-meet, so everybody is not here. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Yeah, 13.
Out of all of them? And then Lowway, the last one on that side. When I listen to gospel, it just be regular. I gotta, you gotta. I don't have too much rap gospel. I've been in my smoking Norfolk.
Y'all see the shirt? Y'all see the shirt?
You know what I mean?
Whole lot of dash
you know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram, everybody. Dash
Whole lot of dash out shit. Whole lot of dash out shit.
watch this bitch, mom.
Talk to him, big dog. Talk to him, big dog.
I just put this bitch all the way up.
You know what I'm saying?
OTM shit, man. You already know how it go down in the 904, baby. Y'all see where it's at, man. Uh-oh.